Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss that how we can create the logo. So guys, you are seeing on the screen, here are the so many options: create logo, my design, my logo, more apps, auto design, templates. So when you will click on create logo, so you will get so many options: background, art, text, effects and image. Here you will get the different backgrounds. You can see here backgrounds, texture you will get here, as well as advertisement will come because this is free of cost. Effects, text and so many things will come here, and you can take the image by your camera and gallery. So guys, you can do this thing. And when you will click on templates, so you can take the templates, you can make the logo by this. So this is very amazing to make. I will take the text how to learn and I will click on done. Guys, advertisement is coming because this is free of cost. Center, left, right I can do, and if I want to do the duplicate I can do duplicate. Okay guys, effects I can do easily I can change the effects. You can see on my screen. So I have easily made the logo, and when I will click on save, here icon is here, so it will be save 3D logo. So we can make the 3D logo easily. So guys, still you do not like and subscribe my channel, so first go and like and subscribe and press the bell icon for getting any new updates, and must see this and apply this. These all are free of cost. Auto design you can see here, you can apply this. Okay guys, my logo which I will save, that will come here.